Okay, so for this video we're going to be looking at doing the number 6 side on this dice. I'm going to be using the mirror tool and the rectangular pattern tool. You could do this entire thing with just the mirror tool, or sorry, with just the rectangular pattern tool, but the mirror tool is really good to be able to, for you to be able to use. So I'm just going to go over that in this video, and the number 6 is a good example of this. So I'm going to do the number 6, which will be the opposite of number 1. I'm going to start a 2D sketch on this side, and I'm going to draw my circle, the top left, just like I have been doing before. Click my center, click my edge, and lock it in place, just like we've been doing before with all the other parts. And this is going to be 10. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the mirror tool. The mirror tool is laid out similar to the rectangular pattern tool, where you need to select your geometry first, and then you need to select a mirror line. Now for this mirror line, we're going to have to draw this in. So I'm just going to draw this right in the center axis, and this center axis is here because when we done our rectangle initially, or our square initially, we done the 2-point rectangle tool. If you don't have this, you want to just draw on a line, go to dimension, and you want to dimension it right into the center, like that. Now I can use the mirror tool where I select my geometry, select my mirror line, hit apply, and it duplicates it. Now we can use the rectangular pattern tool to duplicate it down this way. Rectangular pattern, my geometry this time is 2 parts. My direction is just going to be the vertical direction. I'm going to flip it. This time we need 3, and this time our spacing is going to be 12.5. Same again, finish sketch, extrude, cut, and I'm going to just cut all these parts. So that's number 6. I'm going to leave number 5 up to you, I think. It is just like doing number 4, if I can find number 4, and number 1 together, pretty much. So have a wee practice using the rectangular pattern tool again. You could potentially use the mirror tool twice when you're doing the number 5 if you want some practice doing that, but I'll leave that up to you. In the next video we're going to be looking at the fillet tool and applying a colour to your model in Inventor. Okay, so give that a wee try and move on to the next video.